Today we have very nice exponential problem to solve. If x minus x square is equal to 1, then find the value of x raised to power 7 plus x raised to power 5. We will simplify the first one and then we will evaluate the second one. We can write this as x square is equal to x minus 1. If we multiply both sides by x, then we will get x cube is equal to x square minus x. We know the value of x square is equal to x minus 1. So we will put it here. Now x cube is equal to x and x cancel out. X cube is equal to minus 1. Now we are going to evaluate this. X raised to power 7 is as equal as x raised to power 6 times x, and x raised to power 5 x cube times x square. Now x raised to power 6 is equal to x cube square times x, because we use a power law here, that is a raised to power mn is equal to a raised to power m whole raised to power n plus x cube times x square. Now we are going to put the value of x cube, which is equal to minus 1 whole square times x plus minus 1 cube times x square. Now minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 times x plus minus 1 cube is equal to minus 1 times x square. This is equal to x plus minus minus x square. We know the value of x minus x square is equal to 1. We are going to put it over here. This is the required solution. X raised to power 7 plus x raised to power 5 is equal to 1. I hope you liked the video. Thumbs up and subscribe the channel.